Hello and welcome back to Paideia classes. In the last video, we have explored the concept of empty set, finite and infinite set, and equal sets. So if you have not watched that video, please go and watch that video. And in this video, we will solve our exercise 1.2 of class 11 chapter 1 NCERT book. This exercise is directly related to the topics we have discussed earlier. So let's get started. Let's see the first question. Which of the following sets are example of null set? Null set, empty sets, void sets, all this means same thing. Okay, so what is null set mean? It means a set with no element. And we denote it by curly brackets or symbol phi. Okay, so let's see the first example. First example is set of odd natural numbers divisible by 2. So what are odd natural numbers? They are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. So this is the set of odd natural numbers. Now we need to find the set of all odd natural number divisible by 2, and we can see that there is no element in this set which is divisible by 6. So no odd natural number which is divisible by 2. Such elements does not exist. So this set contains no element. So yes, this is an empty set. Okay, let's see the second question. Set of even prime numbers. Okay, so what are the set of prime numbers? Prime number means, what does prime number mean? Natural numbers not equal to 1 which are divisible by 1 and itself. So if we want to write the set, it would be 2, 3, 5, 7, 9 is not a prime number, 11 and so on. So all the collection of all the numbers that are divisible by 1 and itself, they would be the set of prime numbers. Now we need to, this is the set of prime numbers. Now there is one more characteristic, that it should also be even. So there is only one even prime number which is 2. So this set would be 2 and therefore this is not an empty set. Okay, now let's erase some of this portion so that we can write for our third part. So the third part is that the set x such that x is a natural number. X is a natural number. X is less than 5 and x is greater than 5. So a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A number which is less than 5, natural number which is less than 5. So it means 1, 2, 3, 4 and it is greater than 7. So this is 8, 9, 10 and so on. So there is no natural number which satisfies both of these conditions, and therefore such element does not exist such that it is a natural number, it is less than 5 and it is greater than 5. So this is an empty set. Now let's see the next part. Y such that y is a point common to any two parallel lines. Okay, suppose we have two parallel lines, this and this. What does it mean? two lines are parallel to each other, right? When they will never intersect to each other, right? They will never intersect each other. It means that they don't have any common point. So if two lines are parallel, they will never have a common point, and therefore this is also an empty set. So we simply need to solve what is written and then see if any element belongs to this set or not. If there is even a single element, the set will not be empty. Okay, let's see the next question. In the next question, we need to tell which of the following sets are finite or infinite. So our set would be finite if the set would be finite if either it is empty set or contains finite number of elements. Otherwise infinite. Okay, so let's solve this. Let's solve the first part. The set of month of a year. So we know the set of months of the year. It is January. So I'll just write the first letter. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Again, you need to write it like completely January, February. But we just need to tell if these sets are finite or not. So we actually we even don't need to write this, but we know that there are 12 elements in this set. So since the cardinality is if the number of the element in this set are 12, which is a finite number, so this is a finite set. Now let's see this set 1, 2, 3 and so on. So this is the set of natural number, and so on means there are always a number next to any number. So this is an infinite set. Now let's see this 1, 2, 3 and so on, 99 and 100. Now they have closed this set. So there are 100 elements in this set. So of course 100 is a finite number. This is a finite set. The set of positive integers greater than 100. Okay, so positive integers greater than 100 means 101, 102, 103 and so on. So you can always get the next number in this set. This is never ending. So this is an infinite set. The set of prime number less than 99. So obviously this set would be finite sets. Right? This set would be finite. So 2, 3, 5, 7 up to 97. Set of prime number less than 99. So this is a finite set. We don't even need to find how many elements are there. If we can see that, okay, this set contains finite number of elements, the set would be finite. Again, in the question 3 also, they are asking us to state whether each of the following set is finite or infinite. They are just asking to state this. Now, if you need to solve the question, then we will solve the question. Just so that you guys can understand the concept. State where, okay, so the first part is the set of lines which are parallel to x-axis. Now, how many lines are there which are parallel to x-axis? Of course, there are infinite number of lines, right? There are infinite numbers of lines which are parallel to x-axis. So, any like y is equal to a, where a is real number. You can put any value here, y is equal to 1, y is equal to 0. All these lines would be parallel to x-axis, so this is an infinite set. The set of letters in the English alphabet. Now we know that there are 26 letters in the English alphabet. So this is a finite set. The set of numbers which are multiple of 5. What would be that? 5. Now they have not written a natural number, integers or whatever. So we will consider them as an integer. So 0, plus minus 5, plus minus 10, plus minus 15 and so on. So this is also an infinite set. The set of animals living on the earth. So when there is this type of question, the set of animals living on the earth, it basically means living on the earth at this very moment. Okay, we are not talking about like the time is here is this very moment. At this very moment, the set of animals living on the earth. So even though it is difficult to count, we know that this is finite. This may be a very bigger number. This may be a very big number, but this is finite. The set of circles passing through origin. How many circles can pass through this origin? So there are infinite sets circles which through this which can pass through origin. So this will also be infinite. Okay. Let's see the next question. In the following, state whether A is equal to B or not. So A is equal to B. This will happen if all the elements of set A are the element of set B and all the element of set B are the element of set A. Meaning the set A and B have exactly same elements. Okay. So let's see. A, B, C, D. Here also A, B, C, D. Okay. And then D, C, B, A. So these two are equal. Next we have 4, 8, 12, 16. 4, 8. Now it does not have 12 over here. So all the elements of set A are not element of set B. So A is not equal to B. Because 12 belongs to A, but 12 does not belongs to B. So just one element is enough. If one element of either of the set belongs to in one set but not in the other, the set will be not be equal. Okay. Let's see the third part. So A is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and B is x such that x is a positive even integer and x is less than and equal to 10. So first we'll write this in tabular form. What would it be? Positive even integer. So what are they? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. And it should be less than or equal to 10. So this would be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We'll not take the next 12 because it will not be equal to 10. It will not be less than or equal to 10. So again, the set A and B are basically the same set. So it means that A is equal to B. Let's see the next question. A is equal to x such that x is a multiple of 10. So let's write first A in the tabular form. A is equal to, so it is not given if it is integer, natural, real or whatever. So we'll simply consider them as a real number, and multiple of 10 means 0, plus minus 10, plus minus 20 and so on. And B is 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So obviously these two sets are not equal because say 0 belongs to here, 0 does not belongs to here, minus 10 belongs to set A. Minus 10 does not belong to set B. 15 belongs to set B, but it does not belong to set A. So one element is in here. And therefore, A is not equal to B. So, first and third are equal. And the second and fourth, in second and fourth part, the sets are not equal. Okay, let's see the next question. Are the following pair of sets equal? And we need to give reason if they are equal or not. So we have the first part, we have A is equal to 2, 3. A is simply 2, 3. And then we have the set B. B is x such that x is solution of x square plus 5x plus 6. Plus 6 is equal to 0. So we need to solve this equation. So we can factorize this and we will get this x square. We can write this 5x as 3x plus 2x. And on factorizing, we will get x plus 3. X plus 2 is equal to 0. So on solving, we will get x is equal to minus 3 or minus 2. So the set B would be minus 2, minus 3. Okay. So obviously 2, 3 and minus 2, 3 are not same elements. So it means that A is not equal. Let's see the second part. A is equal to x such that x is letter in the word for. Okay, so let's first write A in the tabular form. So first letter is F, second letter is O, third letter is L, fourth letter is again L, but we do not repeat the elements when we are writing the set. And then we have O, again we have already wrote O, and the next letter is W. Then we have this set B, which is Y, such that Y is the letter in the word wolf. So W, O, L, and F. Now we need to see if the sets are equal or not. So all the elements of set A are the elements of set B, because F is here, F is here, O is here, O is here, L is here, L is here, W is here, W is here. Now let's check for the B. So W is here, W is here, O is here, O is here, L is here, L is here, F is here, F is here. So all the elements of set A are the elements of set B, and all the elements of set B are the elements of set A, which means that A and B are equal. Now let's see the next question. From the sets given below, select equal sets. Okay, so we need to select simply equal sets. And this is written in tabular form. So it is very easy to select, right? So A is 2, 4, 8, 12. We need to find if there is any set who has these 4 elements. B does not have, C does not have, D does not have, E does not have, F, G, H. None of the sets have the same 2, 4, 8, 12 elements. So A is not equal to any of the sets. Next we have B, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Again, 1 is not here, so B is not equal to C. For D, 1, 2, 3, 4. So B is equal to D. We can check here also 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 1, 4, 2. So if all the elements of set, suppose A, are the element of set B, and they have same number of elements. Okay, they have same number of elements. Then they are equal. Okay, because there is only 4 elements here, 4 elements here, and we have checked for one set, so it is sufficient. Okay, let's see in any other they have 2 elements, so they cannot be equal. Any of other set are not equal to B, and same goes for D. For the set C, 4, 8, 12, 14. None of D, E, F, G, H have this element, even A and B. So C is not equal to any of these set. D is equal to B. We have already write that pair. Then E is equal to minus 1, 1. So this set has 2 elements. So all the 4 elements, all the set that has 4 elements, we do not need to check. We only need to check the sets which have 2 elements. Okay. So E is equal to minus 1, 1. So this G are same. So E is equal to G. And next we have F is 0A. None of the set have same 0A element, and H is 0, 1. So this also does not, no other set have the same 0, 1, 8. So there are only two pairs which are equal, B and D and E and G. So this will be our answer. So this conclude our exercise 1.2. If you have any doubt, please ask in the comment section. If you have any suggestion, please drop that also in the comment section. I am new to this work. My channel is quite new, so I don't know everything yet, and I'm learning. But if you have any suggestion, please drop in the comment section. And please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.